Hello everyone, this is Jordan Osrold from UC Workspace, and welcome to our video on Quicklaunch Standard Edition installation. In this brief video, I will discuss how to install Quicklaunch version 4 Standard Edition using the install wizard. To begin, enter the following URL into your favorite internet browser. I will be using Microsoft Edge for this tutorial today. Upon reaching our installation website, you can either click Download and Install Quicklaunch to download our newest production release, or you can choose View Older Releases to download older versions of Quicklaunch version 4. After clicking your button of choice, your download will begin. While using Microsoft Edge, you will need to manually click Run to begin the download. Once Quicklaunch has concluded its download, the Quicklaunch Setup Wizard will open on your screen. At this time, you can consider reading through the Quicklaunch End User Software License Agreement. After agreeing to the license agreement, be sure to click the Next button to continue through the wizard. The next screen will allow you to download optional Quicklaunch features. We recommend clicking the checkboxes beside each of the three options. The lower half of the screen determines where Quicklaunch will be installed in your computer. We recommend that you use the default options for this group of settings. The next screen will allow you to install Quicklaunch. After clicking Install, Quicklaunch will begin the installation process. Shortly after Install has been selected, Windows will prompt you to accept the installation of Quicklaunch. After pressing Yes, Quicklaunch will finish the installation process. After the installation is completed, the Quicklaunch Setup Wizard will become available. The Language tab allows you to choose which language you would like to use Quicklaunch in. The first screen also contains many important links to learn more about Quicklaunch. Located in the lower right of the screen is where you'll proceed to the next screen of settings. The prerequisites explain how it is important to have your collaboration software installed before continuing with this installation. After, you'll be able to read the license agreement of the Agreement tab to continue on with installation. This Registration tab allows you to set up your personal information for Quicklaunch. The License tab requires inputting your license key and any feature keys you may have. You are also able to set up password protection for Quicklaunch settings. For my video today, I will not be using password protection. The System tab allows you to change if Quicklaunch starts with Windows and if you would like to schedule daily Quicklaunch reboots. The Reset Room tab allows you to set up which applications and information is deleted upon a Quicklaunch room reset. The final tab, Display, allows you to name your Quicklaunch room as well as choose flat versus tab interfaces within Quicklaunch. After clicking Finish, Quicklaunch will load and drop you into design mode where you can fully customize your Quicklaunch interface. Thank you very much for watching our video on Quicklaunch Standard Edition installation. Be sure to visit our website to learn more about the award-winning software Quicklaunch at www.ucworkspace.com. We would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel to always stay up to date with Quicklaunch news and updates. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn at UC Workspace. I've been Jordan Osrold, and I hope to hear from you again soon. Goodbye.